Hello everybody, if you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. If you're part of the family, then welcome back. If you're part of the family, then you know that I haven't done a beauty video in a hot minute, and I thought this one would be fun to share with you all. So in this video, I'm going to share a few items that I have been using that I bought here in Spain. When I moved, I actually restocked or made sure that I had plenty of like my favorite concealer, my favorite foundation, my favorite mascara, lip gloss, etc. I made sure I had enough just because I wasn't sure what was going to be available here. But I've been here already for 8 months and I haven't yet run out on any of those things because, like I said, I stocked up. But I was just curious to try already some things that were available, specifically from a store called Mercadona, which is a very famous supermarket here in Spain. And so I go and buy my food, and every time I go, I walk by the beauty section and I see all the beauty stuff that they have. And they don't have a great deal like say Walmart or Target, but they have a nice little spot and they're always changing things up. And so I always like kind of sneak over there and see what they have. And about like a month ago, I was like, you know what, I'm gonna buy a few products from here and try them out. So that's what I'm gonna do for you guys today. I'm gonna give you my thoughts, my opinions. I've also bought a few things from other stores here in Spain, not just from that one. And so I will share those with you guys as I go along. So I did my makeup today using those products, did a really simple natural look. And so here we go. All right, so the first product that I'm gonna share with you all is the very first thing that I put on my face, which is a serum or a moisturizer. This one was given to me by my friend Marianne, who ironically called me, FaceTimed me as I was doing my makeup for this video. And so you will see it. I show you my phone and she'll say hi to you guys when the time comes. But she gave me this serum and I have been really liking it. The brand is Deli Plus. I think that's the company that makes these products, because a lot of my other products are from Deli Plus as well. And they're available in Mercadona, I think, and other stores, but I've mainly only seen them in this Mercadona supermarket that I'm gonna share with you all about. But anyways, it's been working good. It's a serum. I love that it's compact. It's supposed to have hyaluronic acid, and it's been good for me so far. Not really too picky with moisturizers and serum. As long as they get the job done and they do what they say they will, then I am happy camper. One thing that I can tell you about my skin is that it is very dry, because it is very dry over here. I come from Florida where the humidity is really high, and so my skin was used to that. And so when I came over here to Spain, even my hands, I'm like, I need lotion. And I'll show you a little bit of lotion that I've been using, but I'm like, I apply lotion before I go to bed, in the morning, throughout the day, because I feel like my skin needs it. It's still getting used to the dryness here in Spain. All right, the next thing that I put on my face is foundation. And so I brought plenty of the foundation that I like using, which is, I just dropped a few things on the floor, which is the WetNWild Photo Focus, the L'Oreal Pro Matte, all that good stuff. But this one they sell it in this particular store, which is the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Foundation. I had tried this a while ago, so this is not my first time using it, but to me it was just very, it was light coverage, and I like more, at that time I like more of a heavy full coverage. And this one's supposed to last up to 12 hours. My shade is 220, which is, doesn't say a name, I think it just says 220. And it is from Maybelline. So Maybelline, not all their products, but some of their products are available here in Spain. The packaging is different. The one in the US is a glass package, and this one is a tube plastic, which I prefer better because I can open it and just squeeze it into like the back of my hands or directly in my fingers and on my face. The glass one was really hard. Like I had to like pour it and like not all of it came out, etc. I like this packaging better. So I use this as my foundation. It is still a light coverage, but I have changed what I expect and what I want in a foundation. I do still like my full coverage, but sometimes on those days where I'm just gonna go to the store or do something really quick, I like something light as this. The only bad thing is that it says 12 hours. I don't think it lasts 12 hours. I think it lasts like 6 hours because this is such a light formula. I can build it up, I can add more to build it up, but it doesn't last the entire day. So I applied it at like an hour ago, like 10:30. I think by like 3 or something, I'm gonna have to retouch. I'll be home, so I probably won't, but if I'm out, I might have to retouch. So it's a good natural foundation, but it doesn't last the entire day. Okay, as far as concealer, I just used my WetNWild one. I haven't found a concealer here that I like or that. I know some of the Maybelline ones are available. NYX you can find here, Essence you can find here, some of L'Oreal products, but WetNWild you can't. So I still have a few of these, but this is the one that I used in the video. All right, the next thing is a liquid makeup or a liquid foundation in the same store. The brand is Deli Plus, the same one from the moisturizer. And this is the darkest shade that I could find in that store. So it's really and honestly not even that dark, but as you can see, it's the one that I just use as a bronzer. So it's actually like foundation that I use as a bronzer because I just think it's very convenient. It was hard for me to find a bronzer in Mercadona, and so that's why I saw this one. I was like, let me just try using this and use it as a liquid bronzer. And it's supposed to be matte, and so far it blends out well and it looks good and it lasts the entire day. Also, I forgot to mention that a lot of these products, because they are from their drugstore, they're kind of cheap. Like I think this one was 5 euros, 5 or 6 euros. I think this was the most expensive one and it was maybe 7.50, 7 euros and 50 cents some way. So they're not really that expensive, I think. All right, the next product is actually a loose powder. I love my Laura Mercier setting powder. I love it. But this one is not bad. I bought it for days where I, don't want to use my expensive one and I'm going to be around the house or just do some errands. And I like it. The packaging is good. I use it a ton. This is still the first one that I bought. It goes on translucent, as you can see in the video. And it lasts, I think, the entire day. So this might have cost me, oh my word, was it 6 euros, 7 euros, something like that, less than 10, like less than 8. And it gets the job done and I've been liking it so far. It doesn't have a strong odor or anything and it's been great. All right, next item is for the brows. Okay, so I saw this, I think this cost, again, probably less than 5 euros, but it's definitely very similar to the Anastasia, what is it called? Micro pencil something, like the one that's like itty bitty. So this one's very comparable. It's very waxy, so you kind of have to learn how to work with it and just like not be super harsh, but just like very slightly apply it. But yeah, I mean, my eyebrows look good, right? And it's been getting the job done. The next one is super cool. It is an eyeliner and it is waterproof. And look, let me go in a little bit. But this is such a really cool, funky color when you just want to add a little pop of color to your makeup. And all I did was just put it in right there as an eyeliner. And it lasts the entire day. It's waterproof and it's really pretty and it wasn't expensive. So, and the other side, it has like a little smudger that I never use because I don't really smudge it. I just apply it. So. All right, the next thing is a mascara. This one, just like this product I had tried before the States, this one I absolutely loved. And I just fell more in love with the L'Oreal Paradise mascara. I brought a ton of those, but I saw this one here and I'm like, Essence, you can get Essence in Spain. So I tried it and I love it. Now I go through seasons, but I think I love it more than the Lash Paradise one. But it just gives me lots of length and volume, and it's easy to apply. The only issue is when you wash it off, you really gotta scrub off, because if not, you'll have like raccoon eyes, even after using like makeup remover, which kind of stinks. But I feel like I can apply just a few coats and get full long lashes, as opposed to the Lash Paradise one. You really gotta apply it, in my opinion. This one, you get what you need faster. So I believe this one was €4, so super cheap and actually really good. All right, so the next product is a bronzer that I applied over the bronzer that I added with the liquid foundation. And I did not buy it at Mercadona. I bought it at a store, a makeup store called Kiko. This is a store or a brand that I had tried in the past because it is available in the States. But here it's like big deal. So like you have it like in all the shops and all the malls and all that, and they have a lot more products available. So this is what it looks like. It is the Radiant Touch Bronzing Powder. I think I paid like €8 for this, I think. Again, cheap. And the color is the darkest because I do like a deep bronze, and it's 103. I don't know, you know, I think that's like the darkest. But this is what it looks like. I have been using it for a while. As you can see, I'm already hitting pan. But it's so pretty. It's not matte. It definitely has some shimmer to it. But I use it as a bronzer and as to contour. And it's just so pretty. It lasts on the skin all day. It's not the best at blending out, I've noticed. I've really had to like work to like blend it out. But I only put a little bit, I blend it out, and it looks lighter. I kind of diffuse it. I also use it on my eyes as an eyeshadow, like a deep brown eyeshadow if I want like a matte look, or if I want like, yeah, just to look very bronzy, and I love it. It does last the entire day, so. All right, and next, I bought my first eyeshadow palettes, also at that store, Mercadona. They have several eyeshadow palettes, and they actually bring them out here and there throughout the seasons. And this one, I've seen a few of them, but this one really stood out to me, and I was like, I need to get it. It is so pretty. It's perfect for spring, which we're in spring right now. This color right here, I don't think I will ever use. Maybe as an eyeliner, because it's just like really like a bright red. But all the other ones are so pretty. And I actually use this guy over here as my blush. Look, it's so pretty. They're very pigmented, at least that one. So I put a little bit, and I really have to make sure I blend it out because it's very like, very pigmented, very concentrated. So it has, let's see, 1, 2, 3, like 4 shimmers, 6 shimmers. And then the rest are matte, and then you have this like bold one over here that I'm just like, I haven't quite figured out how to use it yet. But they're very pretty. It also has a mirror, and the packaging is nice. And I think this also cost me like €8, $8.50 or something. Okay, the next products I did not use in this video, but I wanted to mention them because they've actually turned out to be really good. And they are some nail polishes that I also got in that store. So pretty. The colors are really bright, vibrant. They change throughout the seasons, and they've actually lasted a long time. So I'm a big fan of their nail polishes as well. And the last product is my the lip gloss that I got. I think this might have been the first product that I bought at Mercadona. Same brand, Deli Plus, but it's supposed to be a volumizing gloss. But the color's really pretty. It's really neutral. I feel like it's a color that goes with everything. I do feel it kind of tingling in my lips because it's supposed to volumize the lips. But does it really volumize? Not really. I just like it because it's the color and it looks good. All right, and the last product I wanted to mention, because my battery is about to die, I see it like flashing, is this hand cream by Nivea. I got it at the same store. Cheap, like €1 or €2, and it's very hydrating, and I wish they sold like a big bottle because I would buy the big bottle. It's just been coming in clutch through this very dry season that we're getting used to. All right guys, that's about it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Again, just a few products that I've tried. I'm excited to try some more here in Spain, and if I do, then I will do another video for you all. All right, love you all and have a blessed day. Stay tuned for a few messages from myself. Love you all, and I will see you on my next video. Bye. Hello friends, thank you so much for checking my videos out. It really does mean the world to me that you guys take the time to watch them. I put a lot of time and effort and I have so much fun with them. And so it means a lot that you guys are actually taking the time to watch them. Just wanted to share a few things with you all. It won't take long at all, I promise. Number one, I accept prayer requests. If there's anything that you are going through, anything that you would like for me to pray over, just go ahead and contact me. My email is below. You can also contact me through social media, even through the comments section here in this video, and I will go ahead and add you to a prayer list that I pray over. And I would love to have a conversation with you and even share what my faith is about and why I pray and all that good stuff. So just go ahead and contact me if that is something that you would like to do. Number two, if you are on social media, you should totally be following me because I share a lot more content there. I do videos here and I post them and I have fun, but over there, especially on social media, on Instagram, I share a lot more of like my family, my life, things that I do on the everyday basis, especially in the Instagram stories. So go ahead and follow me. There will be a link to my Instagram handler below. So you can click on it and it'll take you right to there. And number three is if you're not part of this family, go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video, whether it's makeup, a recipe, a Bible study, etc. Just go ahead and join us. We have so much fun here. Like I said, I have fun filming these videos and I would love for you guys to join our fam. All right guys, that's about it. Thank you so much. Love you all.